Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, taking proper care of yourself. Students, today we are going to start one new chapter of English grammar book, chapter number 19, and the name of the chapter is composition. Okay, so students, this is the last chapter of your English grammar book. Now, here what we have to do, paste your picture here. Okay, what is written over here? Myself. So here what you have to do, you have to paste your picture, the photograph of you. Okay, now here what you have to do, now write about yourself. Now here you have to write about yourself. My name is. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to write your name. Okay, like my name is Swati Sharma, so I am writing here my name. And what you have to do, you have to write your name over here. Okay, so I am dash old, so you are 7 years old or 9 years old. Okay, so I'm writing here example. Okay, so ask your mother how old are you and write it over here. Okay, I am in class, so you all are in class 1. I live in. Where do you live? You all live in Satna. So please use capital STNA, Satna. Okay. So here what we have to do, we have to complete the sentences. Now the fifth one, my mother's name is Mrs. So here what you have to do, you have to write your mother name. Now the sixth one, my father's name is Mr. Here what you have to do, you have to write your father's name. I like to eat. So what are the two things which you like to eat? You can write it over here. So I like to eat pizza. So I'm writing here pizza and fruits, food. Okay, so which food you like to eat, you can write it over here. Any fruit. Okay, if you like to eat mango, so you can write here mango also. I like to drink. What you like to drink? You like to drink milk, so you can write here milk and juice. You have to write your own choices. Okay, I like to play, so you like to play football, cricket, whatever you like to play, so please write it over here. Okay, so now in the second exercise, what you have to do, in the first exercise you have to paste your picture and you have to write the sentences. You have to complete the sentences about yourself. Now here what you have to do, paste the picture of your best friend here. Okay, so here you have to paste the picture of your best friend. Okay, whether he studies with you in your class, in your school, or he stays nearby you, so you can paste here your best friend picture. Okay, photograph if you are having with you. Now here what you have to do, now write about your best friend. Now you have to complete the sentences about your best friend. My best friend is. So here what you have to do, you have to write the name of your best friend. यहाँ पर हमको अपने best friend का name लिखना है. सो ही और शी, इफ़ अगर आपका फ्रेंड बॉय है सो आपको ही में टिक करना है. इफ़ अगर वो गर्ल है तो शी में टिक करना है. और वो कितने साल का आपको यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. आई एम राइटिंग योर 8 फॉर एग्जाम्पल. ओके, डैश स्टडी इन क्लास. सो अगर वो गर्ल है तो शी आएगा. इफ़ अगर वो बॉय है तो ही आएगा. ही स्टडी इन क्लास 1, 2, 3, विच एवर क्लास. ओके, और यहाँ पे भी इफ़ अगर वो गर्ल है तो शी आएगा, बॉय है तो ही आएगा. ही लिव्स इन सतना. इफ़ अगर वो सतना का है और सो आप यहाँ पे सतना लिखेंगे. इफ़ अगर वो किसी और सिटी का है तो आपको उस सिटी का नाम यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. ओके किड्स, सो इफ़ अगर आपको ये सारी डिटेल्स अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के बारे में नहीं पता है तो आप उससे भी पूछ सकते हैं. सो हिज, अगर वो गर्ल है. ओके, इफ शी इज़ अ गर्ल देन राइट हियर हर. एंड इफ शी इज़ अ एंड इफ ही इज़ अ बॉय सो राइट हियर हिज. ओके, सो गर्ल के लिए हम शी हर यूज़ करते हैं और बॉय के लिए हम ही और हिज यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, for boy. ओके, बॉय के लिए हम ये 2 चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं और गर्ल के लिए हम ये 2 चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो हमें उसका यहाँ पे मदर नेम और यहाँ पे फादर्स नेम मेंशन करना है. ओके, नाउ इफ ही इज अ बॉय, so right here he likes to eat dash and dash pizza. Ask to him what he likes to eat, what he likes to drink, and what he likes to play. Okay, so I hope you all understood this. So in the fixed exercise, what you have to do, you have to write about yourself and you have to paste the picture of yourself. And in the second exercise, you have to paste the picture of your best friend and you have to write down the things related to your best friend. Okay, now in the third exercise, what we have to do, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Okay, so picture is given over here, we have to see the picture and options are also given over here. So we have to fill in the correct one. Okay, Miss Verma is teacher. Now the second one, she teaches in school. She is standing dash the blackboard. She is standing in front of the blackboard. Now the D1, she dash an apple. She is drawing an apple. Okay, so this is very simple exercise. Words are given over here and you have to see the picture and you have to fill in the correct word. Okay, now like the previous one, we have to do the same thing. The picture is given over here and words are given over here. We have to fill in the correct word. Okay, Mrs. Ahmed dash. Mrs. Ahmed child, Mrs. Ahmed uniform, Mrs. Ahmed nurse, Mrs. Ahmed hospital, Mrs. Ahmed medicine. Mrs. Ahmed is a nurse. Okay, is a nurse. She works in, where she works? She works in hospital. She wears a white uniform. She is giving dash to dash. She is giving medicine to a child. Okay, to child. Okay, so you have to fill in the correct word. I am writing here the sequence, so you have to write it accordingly. Okay, now here what we have to do, again the same thing, picture is given over here and words are given over here. Mr. Ramdas is a postman. Is a postman. Okay, he works dash. He works in post office. He brings, what he brings? He brings us letters. He works very hard. Okay, so this is about the postman. In the previous one, we had completed the sentence about nurse. Okay, students, now we are going to do the next exercise. So composition means we can see the picture and what we have to do, we have to complete the sentences accordingly. Now here what we have to do, Anu has a pet. Her pet is a cat. The cat's name is Sweetie. Complete the sentences about Sweetie. So here what we have to do, we are talking about a girl and the name of the girl is Anu. Can you see a girl over here? Her name is Anu. Okay, so she is having one pet cat. Okay, and the name of the cat is Sweetie. So what you have to do, we have to complete the sentences about Sweetie. Okay, Anu has a pet cat. See, you can see a girl over here. Her name is Anu, and what she is having, she is having one pet cat. She calls her, what Anu calls her? Anu calls her Sweetie. It is mentioned in the question itself. Sweetie. Okay, Sweetie body is dash and dash. Sweetie body is soft and fluffy. Now the fourth one, she dash. What she's doing over here? She chases the mice. Okay. Now the fifth one, what she's doing over here? She likes to drink. What she likes to drink? She likes to drink milk. Now the sixth one, sometimes she comes to Anu and dash near her. Then Anu pats her. Sometimes she comes to Anu and dash near her and stands near her. Now the seventh one, she dash near Anu bed. What she is doing over here? She sleeps near Anu's bed. Now the eighth one, Anu likes Sweetie very much. Okay, so in this exercise what we have to do? We have to complete the sentences. So what is composition? One picture will be given to us and sentences will be given, and we have to fill in the correct blank according to the picture. Okay kids, so this is the lesson composition. We had done some few exercises of this chapter. Okay, this lesson is not coming in your annual examination, but you have to practice it. Once if you find any of the difficulty, then you all can ask me. I hope students, you all are taking good care of yourself. You all are taking care of your studies also. Okay kids, so what you have to do? You have to first see this video and try to complete it. In the first one, in the A1 exercise, what you have to do? You have to stick your picture. Okay, if you're having big size of picture, then you can cut it. Okay, or you can stick passport size picture also. If you're having big one, so you can stick the big one picture also, your photograph. Okay, and please complete the sentences. Take help of your mother and take help of your father to complete the sentences. And in the B exercise, what we have to do? We have to stick the picture of your best friend. If you're not having the picture of your best friend, so what you can do? You can draw a sketch if you can. Okay, and what you have to do? You must not be knowing about everything about your best friend. So what you can do? You can ask him or her. आप अपने best friend से पूछ सकते हो उसकी likes, उसकी dislike, what he likes to play, what he likes to eat. Then you can the correct blank according to his or her choices. आप अपने friend के चॉइसेस के अकॉर्डिंग ही आपको फिल करना है. ओके किड्स, सो फर्स्ट में आपको अपने बारे में मेंशन करना है और सेकंड बी वाली एक्सरसाइज में आपको अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के अकॉर्डिंग करना है. ओके, सो आपका कोई भी बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो, वेदर आपके वो नेबर में रह रहा हो, आपके आसपास रह रहा हो, आपकी कॉलोनी में रह रहा हो, अगर या वो स्कूल में हो, सो आप अपने जो भी आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो जिसके साथ आपको बात करना पसंद है, आप जिससे अपने सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस करते हो, ओके, सो आपको उसके बारे में मेंशन करना है. Okay kids, I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Students, if you find any of the difficulty in this chapter or in any other chapter, so you all can ask me. Now all the chapters are finished of English grammar book. Now revision, we will start the revision of annual examination. If you find any of the difficulty, if in any of the chapter, then you all can ask me in doubt clarification class. And if it is very serious issue, then you all can WhatsApp me the thing or you can call me also. Okay kids, I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Goodbye students, take care.